హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ డిఎం ఆల్ ఇన్ వన్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇంకా మన ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకుండా చూస్తున్నట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
A very pleasant morning, one and all. Today I take it as a privilege in introducing our keynote speaker, Professor P. Mohan Reddy Garu, who has come all the way from Sri Venkateshwara University, Tirupati, to share his insights and impart us knowledge regarding qualitative data collection methods and tools. It is an honor for us to have you here, sir. Professor P. Mohan Reddy Garu did his M.Com and PhD from SV University in 1985 and 1990 respectively. Sir has obtained MBA from the University of Madras. He served as an assistant professor in Dr. Ambedkar Open University for 6 months, and later he was appointed as a lecturer in SVU PG Center, Kadapa in 1992. He became associate professor during 2001 and was repatriated to the SV University, Tirupati during 2008 when SVU PG Center, Kadapa was elevated to Yogi Vemana University. He was promoted as a professor of commerce during 2009. To his credit, Sir has published 16 books and 173 articles. He has successfully guided 24 PhDs and 7 MPhils. Sir has attended and presented 117 papers in various national and international seminars. Sir has participated in 60 national webinars. He has organized 2 national seminars and acted as Deputy Director for International Conference. Sir has completed 1 minor research project and 1 major research product funded by the ICSSR and UGC respectively. He is a life member of ICA, IPA, AIAA, IDF and FI. Sir is also a member peer review committee for publication of seminar articles, management studies, Pondicherry University. He was the head Department of Commerce and in charge head of MHRM and coordinator for MBA, MCA and MSc courses in Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa and coordinator for MCom in SV University. Sir is a life member Red Cross Society, AP State Branch. Sir also acted as chairman for Joint Inspection Committees, APSHI. He acts as a chairman and member for College Inspection Committees, SV University. Sir was also a former member Board of Studies, PG in SV University. He was a former external member Board of Studies in SK University, Anantapur and Dravidian University, Kuppam. He was an external member Board of Studies in Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa. Presently, Sir is an external member of Board of Studies, Alagappa University, Karaikudi, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He is a member of Expert Committee, National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi. Sir has served as a regional coordinator for ISET during the period of 2005 to 2008. He acted as a deputy coordinator for National Youth Festival. He also acted as a warden, SVU CMNCS Hostel for Men, SV University, Tirupati. Sir was the head and chairman of BOS in Department of Commerce, SVU College of CMNCS, Tirupati. Sir has also presented paper in 11th Asia Pacific Business Research Conference, East Asia Institute of Management, Singapore. 1 paper has been accepted for the presentation in World Business Research Conference, Bangkok, Thailand. Sir is acting as an editor of bilingual text for BCom courses, which is first of its kind state of Andhra Pradesh. Presently, Sir is external member of Board of Studies, Alagappa University, Karaikudi and SK University, Anantapur. He was received with the Best Teacher Award from the AP Government, Amaravati in September 2017, Bharat Jyoti Award from Indian International Friendship Society, New Delhi in May 2013. Sir was also awarded with Dr. Abdul Kalam Lifetime Achievement National Award from International Institute of Social and Economic Reforms, New Delhi in September 2014. Dr. Ambedkar Kalam Lifetime Achievement National Award from International Institute for Social and Economic Reforms, Bengaluru on 24th June 2017. Indira Priyadarshini Award from Healthcare International, Hyderabad in November 2017. Certificate in Bronze category from Central Board of Direct Taxes, Ministry of Finance, Government of India for the year 2017 and 18 and Certificate in Bronze category from Central Board of Direct Taxes, Ministry of Finance, Government of India for the year 2019 and 20. Really, we are to be very delighted to have Professor Mohan Reddy Garu here with us to impart his knowledge. Thank you so much.
I see my good friend after a long time in this university. He is from SC University, and we both are of same age group, and we have been together since more than 3 decades on the Faculty of Commerce and Management. It's my pleasure, sir, to have you here.
Thank you for the warm words.
And this is the 7th day. So, as a sequence in the syllabus of research methodology, step by step we are coming down, and we have come to this level of quantitative data analysis was over yesterday, and now qualitative data. Then as we see the syllabus, it's in the same sequence the classes are also being run. So the research scholars are from different faculties of social sciences, commerce, management, sociology, multidisciplinary within social sciences. As a token of small memory from our side, this will make you remember us.
Thanks.
Thank you. Right. I request you to
Respected Dean in options, sir, just now he has participated in this event. And now, beloved participants, it gives me immense pleasure to stand before you and to speak and deliver a lecture on qualitative data collection methods and tools. This is the topic of ICS program today on research methodology. I hope that you have come here from different corners and different quarters. You have come here, and so I also feel proud to share with you and also gain some knowledge from you also. If you have, so suppose here knowledge means sharing of the knowledge. There is one thing in management thoughts given by So if I have given 100 rupees to you and you have given 100 rupees to me, it will remain 100 rupees as 100 rupees. Isn't it? It is exchangeable. I have given 100 rupees and you have given 100 rupees. So it remains as 100 rupees. If I have ventured one idea and we have ventured another idea, so both ideas will have synergetic effect. 2 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 2 is not 3. 2 plus 2 is 4 as per mathematics in numerical sense. But in synergetic way, 2 plus 2 is more than 4. That is called synergetic effect. Financial synergy is there, marketing synergy is there. That is called synergetic effect. Synergetic effect. So we are gaining the knowledge. So when I have delivered a lecture on qualitative data collection methods and tools, and we are also sharing something, I will also gain something. I will also gain by sharing and participating in this type of programs being organized by ICSSR. Actually, the quality data collection methods and tools, I feel that even the qualitative data collection methods, earlier the quantitative data methods was completed, isn't it? So qualitative data collection methods and tools. So itself, the topic itself, there is some misnomer is there. Topic itself. Tools and methods. It must be qualitative data collection tools and methods. Tool is a very small statistical tool means percentages is a tool. Percentage that is tool. Techniques and methods is somewhat more greater than tool. That is chi-square test, ANOVA test, or regression, or the t-test, f-test. These are all methods. Like that, we have to take methods is somewhat superior to tool. Tool is inferior, then is less than method. Therefore, it should be qualitative data collection tools and methods. The topic, you change the topic, that is qualitative data collection tools and methods. It's as per my perception. Tool is smaller than method or technique. So therefore, tool must be in the prefix. That means qualitative data collection method, tools and methods. Isn't it? That is the right. It is named after qualitative data collection tools and methods. tools and methods.
Good morning, participants. Today we are having an expert, Professor D. Anjaneyalu sir. Sir is head chairman BOS of Department of Commerce. Now I request Ms. Yashwanti to introduce sir.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. It is my pleasure to introduce Professor D. Anjaneyalu sir, Head of the Department of Commerce from Sri Krishnadevaraya University, who has kindly agreed to speak to us about research design. Professor Anjaneyalu sir was awarded academic degrees in MCom, MPhil and PhD and has joined the university as assistant professor in the year 1990. He has been designated as professor since July 2007 till date. His areas of specialization are accounting and finance, human resource management, e-commerce and transport management. Sir has a total service experience of 32 and a half years as of today, and he has guided 7 MPhil students and 11 PhD scholars. He has a UGC major research project titled Productivity and Profitability of APSRTC. Sir held various administrative positions. He was a director in the Directorate of Distance Education SKU for about 1 year. He was a coordinator in the Center for Distance Education SKU for more than 2 years. He was a convener in the Center for Distance Education SKU. He was held in the position of Deputy Director for about 2 years and Joint Director for more than 1 year in the Directorate of Admissions SKU. He was NSS Program Coordinator for about 2.5 years. He has been held as the Chairman Board of Studies in Commerce SKU since 2017 till date. Sir also served as a member in various committees like Internal Quality Assurance Cell, SKU Sports Committee, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Committee, Valmiki Jayanti Celebration Committee, CDA Advisory Committee, etc. Sir has attended various national and international conferences and published papers on various topics such as accumulated losses in APSRTC, cost reduction for survival and probability of STUs, manpower productivity in APSRTC, digital payments, electronic payment systems and so on. This is a brief introduction about Sir. Sir, we welcome you here on behalf of SKIM and we are sure that you will instill more knowledge to us, and we thank you once again. I hand over the session to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Yashwanti, for introducing me to all the young and the progressive scholars. Of course, and you are in the primitive stage, you are in the first stage. You want to have some guidelines for you. That is why I prepared this particular one only. Some tips, particularly relating to, because the major problem what the research scholar faces in the beginning is only okay, how to proceed with. The problem is only how to proceed with the research. That is the biggest problem. So once they overcome that particular problem, so anybody, any prospective candidate, that is the prospective research scholar, he can carry his research work very smoothly. Of course, before starting my lecture, some assumptions are there. What are that assumption means? Important assumptions here means, number one, nobody is superior in this research. You underline that. Number one is what is? Nobody is unique. And everybody is a qualified person, everybody is a unique person. And every style that is there. Okay, that means nobody is unique means what is that? You can follow that particular candidate, you can unfollow that particular candidate relating to his research methodology or research guidance. Okay, I can't claim that I am superior. My research is unique. There are several reasons because you cannot assess, you cannot judge what is the quality that a particular research is having. That all depends on how this particular research scholar is going to concentrate in his time. If you are ready to concentrate more and more time, then quality comes. Don't believe that your guide is knows everything. That is a false reason. Okay, of course, your guide or your professor may be knowing only, he may be having a rich experience only in maybe some few areas only. Don't expect that because he is a professor, he is expert in all this one, he should have expertise in all this area. I mean, that is the wrong version. But how the guide will help you? Because only one problem is you don't know what is the research methodology. Guide knows research methodology. That is why he will show how to proceed. But powers never. It is you only. Purchase never. It is you only. Don't expect that if I do service to my guide, then the guide will write everything. And finally, he will be blessed. He will be blessing me with his research work and the certificate. That is not correct. That is wrong. There should be, notably, there should be your contribution. So from this one, nobody is having a mastery in research. Whether he comes from IIT or IIM or maybe in the university or maybe in some other upcoming universities, the same thing. Of course, quality may differ. Some you can find quality, you can find relatively some lesser quality in some other research. Provided, what is important? The contribution of the student is more. Of course, the guide will be giving you how to present the matter, how to proceed with the research. So he is the guide only, he is the director only. He will show he is the navigator only, that's all. But you have to equip, you have to mobilize all your resources. You have to work hard for your PhD. Okay, first I am touching all these points. The first one is what is problems relating to the selection of the topic. A few tips. Number two, what is that? How you are going to attend that particular topic. How you are addressing that particular problem. That is the selected topic. Okay. Then the third one is what is that? Research gap. What is research gap? That will be more useful to you